Whether you're a teacher, parent or carer, you may find that sometimes it can be challenging to get children to put their ideas on paper, and you may find yourself asking the question, how can I encourage children to write? Here at Twinkle, we've created a list of top writing tips to support you with encouraging children to write and make writing a fun activity for them. Tip 1. Write for a purpose. Encourage children to write for a reason, whether it be to inform, entertain or persuade an audience. Children will be more engaged with writing their ideas down if they know they are writing to have their opinions and ideas heard. Tip 2. Use story prompts such as pictures, photographs or storytelling cues to encourage imagination. Tip 3. Turn it into a fun group activity. The Think It, Write It, Pass It activity is a fun way for children to get involved with collaborative writing with their peers and allows them to see the humorous side to writing. Tip 4. Allowing children to write on different material first will allow them to gain confidence in their writing. Handing children a whiteboard or sticky note to draft out their story ideas first is less intimidating than handing over a blank piece of paper and asking children to write. Tip 5. Go outside. A change of scenery can make everything more fun. Give children a clipboard and pencil and allow them to write in a relaxed environment. Or why not make the most of the outdoors and encourage them to write about their observations? Tip 6. Follow children's interests. Choose a topic they are curious about, intrigued by or feel strongly about, and encourage children to write a persuasive letter to convince someone important, whether it be the king, a head teacher or parent or a friend. Writing doesn't always have to take shape in the form of a piece of paper and a notebook, but in some topics, if this is the case, you might want to consider using themes page borders to make the exercise more exciting and help prompt imagination. We've selected some of our favourite ones where you can find the links in the description below.